to Just in the Kitchen with me, your host, Justine. Today, I am going to make you North Carolina lemon pie with a saltine crust. It is something you have never heard of, but down on the beach, this pie is very popular. And so summers are fish and shrimp and fresh seafood. And to top your dinner off, you have a lemon pie. Now I love lemon meringue pie. But sometimes the lemon curd that you make can bleed. It gets a little runny, it doesn't hold its shape. So this is a fail-proof lemon pie, and instead of putting meringue on it, which you could do, you put whipped cream. That's just because that's what they did. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to make the crust. You take all your crackers, cracker overboard. There you go. So you just take your crackers and you put them in there. You put butter, melted butter, and you put salt. Now, my brother, when he was younger, he used to eat lemons, just plain old lemons, and he would salt them. And they were really good. It took some of the tartness somehow away. And I think I've told you before, I am a big believer in salt on fruit. I love salt on fruit. So then you put in your sugar. And I've seen recipes with corn syrup, but I didn't like the way it baked up. It was really, it came really hard. So with this sugar, it doesn't harden as much. So all you do, put it in there, pulse it. There you go, you've got crumbs, and you put it in the pie shell. Put it in the pie shell. I have no flat bottom things, measuring cups. So I just use a ramekin and I just squish it around. And you want it up. There we go. Here's my pie shell. I'm just going to put it in the oven and bake it for a little bit, till it starts to get golden brown, and then, not golden, tan. How about tan? Because it's still going to go in the oven and bake with the pie, with the custard. Now we're here for the filling. The pie is cooking, the shell is cooking in the oven for about 15, 17 minutes, and I'm going to do the filling. It's really simple. There's no cooking this like you would with a curd, anything like that. It's just easy peasy. So I have egg yolks only, and then I have a little bit of salt in here. Salt makes everything taste better. Then I will put in sweetened condensed milk. There's a difference between evaporated milk and sweetened condensed milk, just to let you know. Don't make a mistake and get evaporated milk. Get the sweetened condensed milk. Sweetened condensed milk that's where your sugar's coming from. It's where your sweetness is coming from for the whole thing. All right. I got it out of there. I've got lime zest. No, I do not. I have lemon zest. Why would you have lime zest in a lemon pie? Maybe a citrus pie. Then heavy cream, just a little bit. Gives it a little bit of a creamier flavor than the curd. You're going to whip this up, mix it up till it's all smooth. And then you add in your lemon juice, and that will help thicken it. It'll react, believe it or not. Like if you do a cheese pie, like a cream cheese pie, you put in lemon juice, and that's what helps thicken it, so you don't have to put it in the oven. See how thick that is? So it's kind of nice. That's the lemon juice does that. So even if I do, and I'll do orange juice in this, I'll take orange and stuff, I still have to add some lemon juice to help thicken it and give it some, depth. So you could do this with oranges, you could do it with grapefruit, but lemon is the flavor of choice in North Carolina. I don't know if I ever told you that's where my mom lives. So I just got my pie shell out of the oven, and you don't even have to wait for it to cool off. You just put the lemon, there is my pie, folks. What I'll do is I'll put it in the oven, I'll let it bake, and then I'll take it out, let it cool some, put it in the refrigerator overnight, and then top it with whipped cream tomorrow. So we'll be back tomorrow with the pie done. So I have let this sit overnight, and I am going to top it with whipped cream, stabilized whipped cream, so it'll last a little bit. I have in here some heavy whipping cream. I'm going to put in some sugar, a little bit of vanilla. Uh-oh. It was a new one. So we'll put in a little bit of vanilla. And here's your stabilizer, cornstarch. So just put all that in. Cornstarch likes to stick to everything. It doesn't want to ever come out of a bowl, and it doesn't want to come off your face when you get it on there. You just start slow because you will be wearing whipped cream. Once your whipped cream, so it'll be, see? Whoop. There you go. That's how you want your whipped cream. Be careful not to whip it too much, or you'll have butter. Maybe one day I'll show you how to make butter and clotted cream. That is so good for scones, maybe for Mother's Day. So look at this pie. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Look at those 2 layers. It's creamy. That's, for lack of a better word, it's creamy. It's that little bit of cream in there. Tastes very good. Look at how well the crust held up. If you had done this crust with, like the other ones that I've seen with corn syrup, that would have been hard. You wouldn't have been able to cut it out of the refrigerator. Here it sticks together. And it's crispy. Has a good bite, a good taste. If you didn't tell people it was saltines, they would never guess it. That's our secret, okay? Now let's go in for a bite. You know what? Always the tip is my favorite part, the point. Oh, that is good. You can taste the zest from the lemons. You get the lemon flavor. You get a little bit of salt, and then the creaminess from the whipped cream. Now I like the crust, and I'm gonna get some crust. My granny always said it's the best part of the pie. I agree with her. So my grandpa would say, "Oh, honey, I'm just saving the best for you," because he didn't like crust. So if you want this recipe and more, go to www.justinthekitchen.com. Remember to like me on YouTube. All right, so make sure you like me on YouTube, ring the bell, and you will have all these recipes and more at your fingertips. They never go away as long as the internet is here. This is a great Easter pie. You will love it. Your guests will love it. What more can I say? Have a good day. God bless. Bye.